Hi friends, welcome back to our channel, My Boyzz. Today we're going to be unboxing a gift for my brother. So, guess what it is? It's a tall thing. I'll give you 5 seconds. Okay, if you guessed it right, this is a scooter. It's a gift for my brother's birthday. So let's get unboxing. But first, I'm going to tell all the details about this. This is from Little Olive. As you can see here, this is from Little Olive. I bought this from my savings for my brother. So come on, let's get unboxing. Okay, now let's ride it. First, we have to open this. Let me tell you how this scooter works. First, we have to do like this. Turn this. Not like this, not like a cycle. Like this. For turning right, like this. For turning left, like this. Then hop on the scooter with one leg and ride it. But when you need to stop, you have to press the brakes with that. 3, 2, 1, start. So friends, this scooter is very nice and compact. You should buy this. It's very nice for kids and babies. We ordered this in Flipkart. I have one thing to say about it. This delivery is very slow, but still the scooter is very good. See you in the next video, friends. Keep smiling. I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe, like and share this video to your friends and family. Bye.